Ngenzakethu igama ngonzelongo kaNtsele Sibongo ngontshoshwa mangethule nocontroversy kodwa izwana khona sengithanda phela licebe khona abaningi bangizwa ngenselezeni ke kanti abanye bathi ngisho flash man ngenzakethu andibona ama presenters at BOR which is the best online radio which is the new kings of the airwaves ngenzakethu ke umsakazo omusha ke ofikile lo la Olundi ngaseli palace la sitholakala khona ke ngenzakethu umsakazo wabantu abasha umphathi wakhona musha ama presenters akhona masha yonke into yakhona ila elite ngenzakethu.
Alright, ngiyazawuthapile nginibingelele futhi nami lo enimonayo uSiphengwa kaMbatha kwi-BOR bambiza uShandoshe. Alright ke ngenza ukuthi siyi best online radio sinesicelo ngenza ukuthi uma ngabe mhlawumbe unebhizinisi ofuna uku-advertise sikhona woza kuthina siyi best radio sikadvertisele lona. Kanti ke futhi mhlawumbe ibhizinisi enjengeyitoro mhlawumbe ngalesi ama-pamphlets enu nize nizositshengisa sinenzele indaba. Because until I'm a customer, guys, until I'm a customer, then I want to get guys for style. If you are willing to assist and donate or something, anything. Yes, no my Samuel, cool guys, no my willing to assist
Katike esalapho ke uMashandu yena ku code 14 lona esalapho endabeni donation ukuthi ngamukele ukuthi nikwazi ukusidonethela indlela engasidonethela ngayo noma mawufuna ukwazi ukudonate any form of donation is allowed ungakwazi ukuthi usithole lapha ekhasini lethu ku Facebook it's best online radio we are Facebook is best online radio na ku Twitter something applies and even on Instagram and also YouTube right na ku YouTube satholakala kanti mafuna ukusithinta ungasithinta nje kule number 0832881414 yona number ngokwazi ukuthi na uxhumane nathi kuyona but for further information address ikhona nje yabona nje mawusidinga sikhona laphana ngasele palace just in building before it after gym building after gym noma inonic la kudesa khona maphathe imoto sekuyona lo building sokusakaza khona nje ngokhoma